Hi, I'm Jo from Etz Timesheet Solutions, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to synchronize your Bullhorn system with our timesheet solution. Here I have just created a placement in Bullhorn, and this one happens to be a contract type placement, but we can pull in permanent type placements too. We can set our field mappings in Etz to relative fields in your Bullhorn system and specify that only placements of a certain status will be synchronized. For example, this one is set as approved and is now ready for import to Etz. With the synchronization subscription set in the background, new and amended placements will automatically feed into Etz via our import process and will drop into our assignment entry area. Here we can see that assignments now appeared in the list. At this point, a welcome email and SMS will be sent to the candidate advising them of their user ID and password, allowing them to access the candidate portal. When they log in, they will be able to view any Twitter feeds, as per this example, along with any timesheets that have been generated from their assignments. To fill out a timesheet, they simply select the relevant period. This one is a weekly example with a requirement for them to enter their start, finish and break times. They can copy these units to other working days, and when they have entered their timesheet units, they submit the timesheet using an authorization method as defined in their assignment. This one has three options: Etz Sign, where an email will be sent to an authorizer for them to sign the timesheet, an option to print off and fax back their timesheet to the system, or to upload a timesheet image. The timesheet status changes at this point to indicate which stage it is at in the process. Let's select Etz Sign and I'll show you how this works. The client signatory receives an email from the system on behalf of the candidate containing a coded link to view the timesheet. Upon clicking the link, the signatory can view the timesheet and then enter their details to sign it. An email and SMS is sent to the candidate to inform them their timesheet has been authorized, and the authorizer will receive an email too, confirming they have signed the timesheet with a copy attached for their records. If we now log back into Etz as the agency administrator, we will see the dashboard indicators reflect the number of timesheets in each stage of the process. When timesheets are approved, the candidate will receive further notifications from the system to confirm their timesheet has been processed by the agency. Now let's look at the sales invoice process. The client in this example is set to automatically produce the invoice as soon as the timesheet is approved, so we can see it's here waiting in the undelivered invoice area, ready to be sent out to the customer. If we view the invoice, you can see the system has attached the timesheet image to the back, and here we can see our electronic signature, including the IP address confirming where and when it was signed. Invoices are then batched for export out to your respective account system, and we have various exports including Sage and Xero. The payment process is easy and straightforward too. If your candidates are PAYE type, we can export them out to your respective payroll system ready for processing there. For limited company type suppliers, Etz accommodates both purchase invoice and self-billing type, allowing these items to be processed easily. Remittance advice and self-bills are produced for delivery to candidates, and these documents are also visible from the candidate's portal. Supplier payments are then exported out to your respective account system. Again, we have a number of exports including Sage and Xero and Navision. Timesheet reminders can be issued to candidates from Etz to ensure timesheets are submitted regularly and on time, and we have a variety of reports available within the system, including gross margin and forecasting reports. This data is available too for consultants to view directly from Bullhorn. If we flick back to Bullhorn now and select the placement used in our example, you will see we have consultant stats revealing how well the consultant is performing, timesheet reminders, so the consultant can issue reminders directly to their candidates from Bullhorn based on outstanding timesheets within ETZ, and the Consultant Reports tab, which includes the key reports from within our system. We hope you have enjoyed this brief presentation of the ETZ timesheet solution. Further information is available on the Bullhorn Marketplace or via www.etztimesheetsolutions.com.